Good afternoon. Today we are at the YMCA campus and we will be discussing about censorship in Bollywood. Whether it is right, whether it is wrong, whether we support it or we don't.
So, as per my concern, yes, censorship is important for Bollywood, and it plays very crucial role in Bollywood. So, I think to censorship is like to ban inappropriate scenes and sensuality in films which are not suitable for culture and especially for children. So,
But in our democratic country, where we do have freedom of speech and expression, so if we are going to close their ears and eyes of our audience, then what is difference between dictatorship or democracy? No?
Obviously, we have different age group of people. So we have categories also in Bollywood, right? We have U, we have A, we have UA. The children will go and see the under movies. They won't see adult movies. Why it is a big thing like censorship? They will go and see the under movies. Exactly. Adult will see adult movies. We don't need censorship for that.
And censorship is putting curtains to our thoughts. And if we talk about movie shows what is happening in the country. It shows the replica of the society. So when we can do that, why can't we see that?
so if you are saying that cinema is a art culture, is a form of art culture, then why they are banned on cultural movie like fire, water?
So because Fire and Water, they both movies are depicting our societies. Na? Fire is based on lesbian couples who belong to a Hindu community, and Water is about the widow's life. They were living in Varanasi sides. Na? So then why should there ban on art movies, not on commercial movies like Delhi Belly, Kya Cool Hai Hum, Great Grand Masti?
And we have AIB knockout, the roast, the whole celebrity thing was there. So lots of people questioned about it that there was vulgarity in that roast.
That we are modern, we can use cussing words because we already using cussing words. There is no need na we are.
That was for a good cause.
Yeah, but they did so many wrong things. They are using so much of not from bad languages. They are doing very cheap things.
In every law, in every rule, there's always an exception, and there's always a restriction. So I think this should be very limited, and this might definitely, as one of our sisters said, that this might influence our children, of the youths. This might corrupt the minds of the people. So definitely censorship should be there.
I don't agree with censorship. We don't need it because we know ourselves better than any other. We know what we should see and what we shouldn't. And plus, in the world of internet, you cannot stop anybody from seeing anything.
But censorship is just providing a layer to our mind. They are not. They are just protecting our mind to see them. Like I agree with the Karthik that earlier he said that the teacher, when the teacher is not here, then
We will not
steady. Yes. So that is the only thing, that censorship is just providing a layer to our mind. That is only guiding.
What of kind of guiding? Because in internet we can see anything now about pawns and like movies like 50 Shades.
Anything that
Yeah.
doesn't mean that try to stop it. I think even if you can see everything in the internet, there is no restriction. You can just go to any site and you will just get whatever you want. But I think the government should at least try to do something to stop it. If you can get anything available, it doesn't mean that you shouldn't try to stop it. So I think censorship is very necessary for the culture we are prevailing in. I mean, India, where the culture is so diverse, so many communities, religions and all. So anything which might get hurt to the sentiments of the people, hurt to the sentiments of any particular community, must be stopped, and so that the harmony maintains.
What about the children who are curious to know why they were hiding, why they are banning on these kind of cuts and
the
scenes?
more we get
Yeah,
curious.
and why there's so much ban on theme-based movies? For example, Urta Punjab is based on drugs. Adil and Mushkil is based on a love story. But why there's so much cut? Adil and Mushkil is banned because of Fawad Khan, and he's from Pakistan. And apart from Fawad Khan, they are banned because there are so many sexual scenes in that movie.
And what about Inshallah Football?
Yeah.
It's a movie about a Kashmiri boy, and he was not allowed to go out the country because his father was charged in militancy. So why?
you know what? This all happens when we, correlate politics and Bollywood. You know, they both are different departments. They should not intervene in each other's works. Bollywood is something related to art. Politics is a whole different level.
Censorship doesn't mean stopping every abusive words, but I'm saying that those words should be. But censorship, why censorship is important? It is important because censorship blocks, cut offs those parts which hurts the sentiments of the people. Which will create some violence, which will create some communalism, which will
They are
create some
cutting
riots.
everything.
These
They
are
are
the
cutting
issues.
everything.
No, everything. No, they are not cutting everything.
90%
Only to
in
restrict
Punjab,
yeah.
banning the movie for
Okay,
Fawad
okay.
Khan.
They are cutting violence, sexual scenes, abusive language. What
They are
about
cutting the reality.
Yeah, reality. No, but what about item songs? Na? Like the children are singing item songs.
Actually,
for entertainment.
Actually, for commercial movies, the item songs are the main attractive thing
But they
to attract young generation.
But they are hurting the dignity of the women. They are hurting. They are hurting them. But
I
they are
don't think
showing
so.
women
These
as a
item
product.
songs hurt the dignity of the women. I don't think
No,
so.
no, they are showing women as a product now.
Item songs, Laila Teri Le Legi, tu लिख के ले ली.
लेला तेरी ले लेगी मुन्नी बदनाम हुई
That is me. शीला की जवानी.
मैं तो तंदूरी चिकन गाइस मैं तो तंदूरी चिकन यार कटका ले मुझे अल्कोहल से
और नाउ द लेटेस्ट मूवी ना रईस का जो नया न्यू सॉन्ग है लैला लैला में लैला
I think girls are
कुंडी मत
enjoying more.
खड़का. So what does this mean?
no na
Item
why
songs
there is
are
no
for
ban on
censorship is not Item songs are for entertainment. People male enjoys them, so they think no, this is right. But you can't see it on movie. No, but if something sexual scene happens in movie, you have to cut it.
Yeah, and censorship is cutting the nudity. So why the nudity is always referred to a woman, not a man? If you remember Dostana movie, John Abraham scenes. So
क्या cool है हम part 2
yeah. So
Tushar.
why?
But the movies like Befikre are, going like, they won't cut the scenes, 23 kisses, and I don't know how some movies passed away, and some are put in censor board.
Yeah, if you are talking about Befikre, so what about 50 Shades of Grey? It was bad. Why?
but still
And 50,
I think
and
you
producer
saw
of-
that movie 50
and
Shades of Grey.
the movie owner was willing to make the cuts. Still, it was banned. Why?
Censorship doesn't mean cutting every kisses or cutting every intimate scenes.
It cuts
Censorship.
on some movies and
Yeah.
it didn't cut on some
No,
movies.
it cuts on some
He
movies.
decides by
It
himself,
cuts
he
on
gets a
only
dream and
it cuts on only those movies which are beyond limitation, beyond some extent.
And
There
Befikre
must
was
be
not
something
beyond
available.
limitation, whereas
So they
50 Shades
didn't-
of Grey was willing to
Yes.
do, but it
If
was
you
beyond
have watched,
limitation.
if you have watched 50 Shades of Grey, then you must have seen that how extreme those.
But he was
are.
willing to cut the scenes, na? So,
I think there are so many regions in our country, and if you talk about the dialogue of Son of Sardar in Ajay Devgan and said Sardar na hote to jo kisme bante, it can harm Sikh community, so it is not good for their community.
I
It-
get a lot of
but they-
Sardar jokes on my WhatsApp.
But you can say on the television it can harm, but they are serving us. You have to agree it.
No, censorship is not cutting kissing scenes and all that, but censorship is cutting the reality. For example, you can say NH10, the honor killing scene, that is short enough. Yeah.
Okay, and what about Kamal Hassan's movie Vishwarupam? Okay, there are 30 cuts in that movie. They cut because they cut. The state government said it because they can't hurt Muslim communities की feelings hurt हो जाएगी. And when Kamal Hassan protests for this, like if we are going to ban these cuts or though I'll leave this country, like why there is so much cut now that they are actually telling the truth. What's happening in our country?
But you know what? If I'm talking about a movie like Sin of Shiny Ahuja, so I think people will generalize a certain category. Means in that movie there was a priest and he's doing something sin in his life. So people think कि ना means ये भी all the means they will generalize कि यार priest community I think ऐसी ही होती होगी. हर कोई ऐसे ही करता होगा. तो I think there was a ban, so I think it was good.
But the thing is, that you know, we always relate everything to you know, every Bollywood, that is we
Save our Hindu culture. na?
Culture.
Everything was banned because Hindu culture, Hindu culture, Hindu culture. What is Hindu culture? Yeah, मतलब everything you are using cussing language, you are using porn चीजें, इतना सब कुछ use होने के बाद भी फिर still they are like we are saving our Hindu culture. What is this?
in Bihar, you know, the in Bihar, the Wi-Fi in the station, the most the people saw was porn.
Yes.
By the free Wi-Fi. So that is happening, but we can't show some sexual scenes on screen with the tag adult. No, all the politicians, all the peoples, all the communities have problem with that.
I guess that's because they didn't come to the knowledge of the censorship board. I mean, about the Bihar, they didn't. The censorship board didn't get knowledge about this. And a few minutes back, our sister said
came in the
that.
paper.
I think
A few minutes before you said that you know, the television shows reality. I mean, this movie shows reality. Then it should be shown. You know, but sometimes reality hurts. A kid shouldn't be shown a reality. You know, if we put every knowledge on the kid, you know, every stuff, you know, on the kid, then obviously the kid's mind will be, you know, corrupted.
I also think the censorship is limited. It should be limited. It should not cut all the things, but it should, to an extent, it should cut some of the things that is not right, that is not should be showing on TV screen legally.